Hi, welcome to Spike Business. Let's explore the sales dashboard. First, click on Credit Sales button to record sales. Enter the transaction date, customer, select service, add narration and then add sales value. And then click on Create button to save the transaction. Now click on Search button on the top of the dashboard and you will find the sales information on charts. First, click on Credit Sales Card, where you will get the sales report of the date range. Next, click on Receivables Card, it will give you the customer balances report. We have three types of bar charts. One is the Customer Ledger chart. Click on the bar and it will navigate it to the Customer Ledger report. Next chart is showing the total credit sales information. Now, click on Sales Return button and record sales returns. Select date, customer, account name, record narration and sales return value. And then click on Create button to save. Now again click on Search button, so it will update the charts and add the sales return details and also update the customer ledger and balances. At the bottom, we have a sales return chart which shows us the total sales return value in a given date range. Thanks for choosing Spike Business.